back to my channel. Today, so I'm actually getting ready to go on a date. And I've gotten a lot of compliments on just my makeup routine, so I decided to share it with you guys today. And so I'm just more of a natural girl. I like wearing minimal makeup or even no makeup just because I like how my face looks without makeup. But if I were to go on a date or if I'm going out to like a professional event or a social event or something like that, I prefer a more natural makeup look. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, so first I'm going in with my spoolie, and I just use this to brush my eyebrow hair upwards. Now I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil by Anastasia in the shade of Ebony, and I got this from Sephora. And I messed up, so I'm taking a little bit off. Okay, now I'm going with my Fenty Beauty Concealer, and I don't know what shade this is in, but I definitely got this from Sephora. And now I'm going in with my bronzer by Mario in the shade of Dark, also from Sephora. And with this brush, I am blending the concealer around my eyebrows first. And now I'm going in with my beauty blender, and I'm blending the concealer and the bronzer together. And now I'm going in with my powder foundation by Sephora in shade 34.5P. And first I only put it underneath my eyes, and then afterwards I put it on the rest of my face. And I actually prefer using powder foundation over liquid foundation. To me, it just looks better. And now I'm going in with my clear eyebrow gel from Sephora, and it's also Sephora brand too. Now I'm going with my highlight by Stila, also from Sephora, and I'm pretty sure it's in the shade Gold. And I don't have a highlight brush, but I do find that my finger does work just fine. And I forgot to put some foundation on my eyelids and on my neck, so that's what I'm doing now. Now I'm going with my Better Than Sex mascara, also from Sephora. Now I'm going in with this lip combo pack I got from TikTok Shop, and I absolutely love it. It comes with the lip liner, the lip balm, and then also the lip gloss, and it's just so pretty. I love the finished product. And unfortunately, I can't remember the name of it, but if you have TikTok and you look up lip combo in the TikTok Shop, you'll probably find it. Now I'm just using a spoolie to just scrape off all of the dry mascara that was left on my eyes. And lastly, I'm going in with setting spray, also from Sephora.
Okay, so this is the final product. You know, I like how it turned out this time. I'm gonna show you the results in different lighting. Ta-da! So in total, this did take me about 35 minutes, but it's really simple. I think it's very classy, very elegant, and very beautiful, and also very natural. And I feel like this is a makeup look you can wear every day, or it can just be a look that you wear when you're just going out sometimes with your friends, or if you're going on a date, or if you're going to an event of some sort. Okay, my loves, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. I hope you take care of yourself, and I will see you later.
I'm gonna love you, love you, love you. That's all I really